Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 962 maximum width ramp. And in this, a ramp is an integer array nums. In an integer array nums is a pair of I or j for which I is less than j and nums I is less than or equal to nums j. And the width of such a ramp is j minus I. And we will be given an integer array nums and we have to return the maximum width of ramp in nums. And if there is no ramp in nums, you have to return 0. For example, in this we are given nums as 608215. So the maximum length which we can form is from 0 to 5. So and we'll just subtract these indexes. So 5 minus basically fifth index minus first index, so that gives us 4. So this is the width of the ramp which we can get. Okay, and this is what we have to do. Basically we need to find the for every single element we need to find the rightmost maximum element which we can have. Okay, so firstly let's take an integer array of, let's call it max on right basically, and maximum. So that will be equal to new int of size nums dot length. And okay, let's just have n is equal to nums dot length again n. And let's just update that max of n minus 1 will be equal to nums of n minus 1 only, because we don't have any further element than this. Then let's update this that for int I equal to n minus 1, I greater than or equal to 0, I minus minus, and I'll be updating the max of I as will be equal to maximum of let's n minus 2, sorry, maximum of max of sorry max I plus 1 comma nums I. Okay, and now let's just define the answer, that is equal to 0, and let's have two pointers. Basically we'll be traversing from left and right, so left is equal to 0 and right is equal to 0. Then while right is less than n, what I'll be checking is that while my left is less than or equal to right, and nums of left is greater than nums of maximum of right, then we'll be doing a left plus plus till then. And after this we'll be updating our answer as maximum of answer comma right minus left, and then a right increment, and at the end let's just return our answer. Okay, now let's give it a run, and it gets scripted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.